They also introduced macOS Ventura,
Yeah.
and they used to make like a big deal of the naming, but this kind of just like was super smooth, and there was no introduction. There was no big surprise.
Custom tailored order, custom time to order, custom to order. Okay, these are all good.
You'll take it?
Yep. Well, he did do a bunch of jokes about the naming. He's like, and then they went off to their retreat, and he's a superhero now as well.
Yeah, he threw a basketball like 1,000 miles, and then it ended up in a hoop. He's very talented.
Yeah, he's like a superhero. He was running in slow motion, and I kind of came into the stream as right around the time he's running slow motion, and then I said to you, "What's going on here?" And you said, "Well, he's a superhero now," or I said, I don't remember who said what.
Mm-hmm.
But they're really trying to generate the memes, right? The shareable moments for the Apple fans that they would watch, and then they'd go, because he's always getting the memes for some reason. It could be his hair or the shirt, which the button's undone. Maybe it's just he's smiling and happy, but they want the meme. They want to have a few meme moments, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so that's what they get here. Where's the one where he's running though? Shout out Logan.
I can't find the one. Not here.
Oh, actually, Logan has a nice update on CTO at McDonald's. That means cook to order. Yeah, the CTO being used all over the place.
Which reminds me, we got to get nuggets.
We also have some. I like how you got ahead of that criticism because people were going to come for you.
Have you been in the Discord? They're like, don't show up if you're not going to show up with nuggets.
Whoa,
and I was like, whoa.
That's heavy. Ellie here says he loves the Discord community. It's great.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a good time.
So check out the Discord community if you haven't yet, because
you as well, man.
Willie Doo's on fire over there. What you mean?
I'm asking you so
No,
many
it
times.
is fun.
I'm in there all the time. I look around.
Are you a lurker?
Yeah, I'm lurking.
Okay.
So don't you worry. You say something, I see it.
Sure,
Ventura. Apple today announced the next version of macOS called macOS Ventura with several new features, including Stage Manager, a feature to help you manage all your windows. Stage Manager helps you focus on the app you're using without any distractions by arranging all unused apps on the side with the main and active app in the middle. macOS Ventura also improves Spotlight with rich results. I use Spotlight all the time myself. Coming to iOS and iPadOS, letting users take actions right from within Spotlight. Spotlight also now indexes more apps, including photos and live text and more.